What if flying your drone felt like being inside it? Meet the DJI Goggles N3, immersive FPV goggles designed to take your flight experience to the next level. From the moment you put them on, everything changes. You're no longer watching your drone. You're seeing through its eyes. The 1080p ultra-wide display delivers a sharp and expansive view. Every detail is clear. Every movement feels real. It's not just flying, it's full immersion. Powered by O4 FHD video transmission, the signal is fast and stable. Low latency means your controls feel instant, perfect for smooth, precise flying. One of the standout features is the AR cursor. It adds a new layer of interaction, making navigation easier and more intuitive. Even if you're new to FPV flying, comfort is also a big focus. The design is lightweight and balanced for longer sessions. And with up to 2.7 hours of battery life, you can fly longer without interruption. In real-world use, it's all about connection. You react faster, you fly better, and you experience every moment more intensely. Compatible with drones like DJI Avata 2 and Neo, these goggles unlock a whole new level of control. So who are they for? For drone enthusiasts, FPV pilots, and anyone who wants a more immersive flying experience. If you're ready to upgrade how you fly, the DJI Goggles N3 are absolutely worth it. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability.